Hello folks, welcome to my channel again. We want to change the clutch fluid with this GS. We need to remove the battery and the starter. Torx T25. And then we want to remove the OBD. Okay, so after we remove the tray for the battery, remove the starter. This is the first one, and right here is the bottom one. Okay. In order to take it out of the starter, this is the second bolt. Same size, 2 bolts. This is the ring. We want to change it. The valve for the exhaust. This one right here. We want to disconnect the electrical connector from here. And the other one is right here. Pushing out. 230. Holders on the back. By pushing this little tab. That way we have more access to the bolts in the bottom. I'm gonna use just the tip for the T30, and then with a little wrench and then get it loose. I like always take out the hardest one first, and then leave the easy one last. This is one. So this one is the second bolt. Right here. And then this is the last one, the easy one. We're gonna hold the plate for the clutch. It's got a pressure right here with the spring, as you can see. You see it? So when I try to hold it with one hand, this is the third bolt, and then be careful whenever it moves out. You can see the rod. This one right here with our needles, pliers, like this. Try to leave the rod over there. So we have the slips ended right here. That way we can open the bleeder and then push and take it out all the fluid. So now we can go to the top, what is the reservoir for the clutch fluid. T20. And then we're going to take it out of the cover. And then the rubber right here. We want to use a BMW original blue B10 clutch fluid. Now we want to put a little bit fluid, the new one. And then we want to go to the slip cylinder as extracted from the bleeder with a vacuum pump. You want to start extracting the fluid. You want to lose the bleeder right here. Open the valve, and then you want to use the vacuum pump to extract the fluid. So we can see in the top, the reservoir, whatever is empty. So that way we can flush the whole system. And then we can close the valve, the bleeder, and then we can go to the reservoir and put some clutch fluid. So now we want to add more fluid. To the mark. So now we wanna go over there from the slip cylinder. I'm gonna push it, and we can see if we have any bubbles in the top in the reservoir. That means it's got air, so we need to make sure we're pushing it. whatever we pushing right here. Okay, then after we add the new fluid in the mark, we take it out. Slip cylinder. Okay, now we want to put the slip cylinder back, but always making sure the shaft is aligned to this right here, to the hole where is the bearing and the slip cylinder. Flat screw and hold. And there you go. The rod is in, so we need to align the 3 bolts. Okay, so we're gonna align the cylinder, push it, installing the first bolt. Now the second bolt from right here. We can use the bit to start the bolt, and then the third bolt right here from the bottom part. Now we want to verify with the clutch lever. Reinstall the exhaust valve. First of all, we want to connect the connector right here, this one, the electrical. The positive cable for the starter. Thanks for watching.